Hey, Craig here. In this video I'm going to be making the fixture plate for the pressed dies. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do as part of making the dies is I'm going to make a fixture plate that's going to act as the op2 for the dies. I've already made a fixture plate. I've got other videos where I make these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start off with the pocket to receive the dies, and drill the 2 holes for the Mighty Bite clamps. I'm going to be using this style of clamp. I was going to use like a pit bull or something like that, but I've got a bunch of these, so I'm just going to go ahead and use them. Hopefully they should work out. Okay, well that went pretty smoothly. I'm just going to leave this the floor like this. I'm not going to do a finishing pass on that. This is where the 2 clamps are going to go. Now all I have to do is a finished pass on the edges. I actually roughed up right to the edge, and now I'm going to go 2 thousandths over. Well, it looks like I'm probably going to have to do a finishing pass. Either there was some discrepancy in the heights on the 2 tools I just ran, or there was something I missed in Fusion 360. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and run a finishing pass to get rid of this here. Okay, so the last thing to do are the two holes. So I'm going to go ahead and drill those and tap those. Okay, I'm all ready to try these fixture clamps out. Alright, there's the first one. There's the second one. Alright. Alright, well, I don't have anything to put in here yet to test them out, so I guess the next step is to make I'm going to start off with the lower die. I'm going to do the op 1 on the lower die, then I'll come back to for the op 2 on the lower die. Well, if you like this video, I'd appreciate the thumbs up. If you have any comments you'd like to leave, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas or anything. If you'd like to subscribe to the channel, there should be a button over here, as well as some other videos you might like to watch down below. And as always, thanks for watching.